So you want to know how to remove the green background from your effect or video in CapCut. That will be easy. Let's get started. If this is your first time using the program to create a project, simply click on New Project in the first window that appears. Your project will be fresh and clean, empty. The first step is to add your media and resources that will be used, such as videos, audios, and images. Then, drag the main video to the timeline and then the video with the green screen. Now you select the green screen clip and click on Cutout at the top right corner. Then check the Chroma key box. Click on the color picker and use the clip preview to select the green background. At least slide the strength controller until there is no green fragment and it's done. Here's another example. This time, the green screen video acts like a frame for the content below. It's the same process. If this video helped you, great, because you'll be using this a lot. Leave a comment if you want to learn this effect in other programs. Subscribe and hit the bell to receive the next videos with more editing techniques. See you soon.